Hi, my name is Amanda Gibson, registered dietitian and area nutrition agent with the LSU AgCenter. Nutrition information is everywhere, so it can seem pretty overwhelming to eat a nutritious, healthy diet. During these videos, I'll be going over different food groups and showing the health benefits of each. Let me introduce you to MyPlate. MyPlate is a healthy eating guide that shows us how to eat a balanced meal. Today, we're going to talk about the food group grains, and then I'll show you how to make these Chewy Granola Bars. All grains are seeds and contain the bran, the outer covering, the germ, the food source for the seed, and the endosperm, which is the starchy center. The bran and the germ have the most amount of nutrients. There are two different types of grains, whole grains and refined grains. Whole grains contain the endosperm, bran, and germ. Refined grains went through processing to have the bran and the germ removed. All that's left is the starchy endosperm. Whole grains have many health benefits, including lowering your risk of heart disease. Whole grains have many nutrients, like B vitamins, that are important for a healthy nervous system, and iron, which is used to carry oxygen in our blood. Magnesium is used in building bones, and selenium, which is important for a healthy immune system. Fiber does a number of important things, like helping to reduce blood cholesterol levels. Fiber is important for proper bowel function, too. It helps to reduce constipation and diverticulosis. Fiber also helps us to feel full. The amount of grains we need every day depends on our gender and age. Every day we should make half of our grains whole. I'm going to show you how to make these easy chewy granola bars using the whole grain oats. For this recipe you'll need 2 cups quick cooking oats, 2 cups crispy rice cereal, 3/4 cup pancake syrup, maple syrup or honey, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 20 small pretzels crushed. Pour syrup or honey into a microwave-safe bowl and heat in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir in peanut butter until combined, then microwave for 1 more minute. Then stir in the vanilla. Combine the cereal and oats and pour the syrup mixture over. Stir completely until it's coated. Stir in the crushed pretzels and any other toppings that you want to add. You could add dried fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, or even coconut. Pour the mixture into a 9x13 pan that's been coated with cooking spray. Then press firmly into the pan using wax paper or even the back of a spoon. Allow the mixture to cool to room temperature before cutting them into bars. Or, for a crunchier bar, bake it in a 300-degree oven for 20 minutes. This recipe serves 24 and is only 8 cents a serving. This video was brought to you by the LSU AgCenter SNAP Ed program, where we provide nutrition education opportunities for adults and children, as well as healthy community efforts throughout Terrebonne and Lafourche Parish. For more information about SNAP Ed, contact Amanda Gibson with the LSU AgCenter.